Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm teaching my producer's 16-year-old niece how to parallel park in under 3 minutes, not including my pro tips, which you're gonna wanna hear. That aside, let's get to it. If you're a parent of a teen driver and you're trying to teach them how to parallel park for the first time, try to find them a parking spot that is 1.5 times larger than the vehicle you're parallel parking. In the real world, the parking spot will be a lot tighter, but this is in order to help them to actually pass their driver's test. So another tip is to always make sure that you're approaching the spot slowly and your turning signal is on, because this helps the other drivers behind you know that you're trying to parallel park. Now here come the pro tips. If the vehicle you are parallel parking is the same size as the other vehicle, align the two side mirrors. Here's another pro tip. Make sure the two vehicles are 2 to 3 feet apart. This is perfect. Now, if you watch my other how to parallel park video, I was driving a Lexus, which is smaller than this Jeep. So you would align the rear bumpers. Pretty easy, right? You're catching those pro tips? Now, let's jump inside. So Beatrice, pretty easy breezy so far, right? Those pro tips, you align your side mirrors and you're 2 to 3 feet away from the vehicle beside. This next pro tip is gonna change your life. You're gonna remember this forever. So you know what a clock is, right?
Yeah.
12 o'clock? That's the position you are right now. All you're going to do is turn the wheel all the way to your right. Then you're gonna aim for the 10 o'clock position while you are reversing, right? So we're at 12, we're gonna turn to 10. Now check your blind spot, make sure nobody's there, your turning signal is still on. Amazing. Now let's reverse, find that 10 o'clock. Good job, nice and slow. Checking your blind spots, 11, 10.
That's 10.
Amazing. Straighten out the wheel. Get ready to reverse. Good job with the turning signal. Now you're gonna reverse. Next pro tip, when your side mirror is in line with the left side brake light, then you're gonna start turning to the left. So now let's reverse. You're just going straight. Look for that mirror, keep coming, stop. Turn your wheel all the way to the left. Keep reversing. Good job with that turning signal, and reverse. Keep coming until you're all straight. Look at that, amazing. You can turn off your signal now. Straighten out the wheel, and you're gonna go forward until you're about 2 to 3 feet away from the person's bumper in front. This is just a courteous thing to do, so when you're exiting, it's easy for you to exit, and also if somebody parks in front of them too close, they have time to, or space, sorry, I should say, to reverse and then go out smoothly. Easy breezy, right? Under 3 minutes, learn how to parallel park.
Yep.
Boom, take one. Amazing, guys, check out those pro tips. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe. Amazing, so good, right? I can't believe that, It's all about the trainer. It's all about me. I'm amazing.